make sure you hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. And watch my whole video. Hey boys and girls, I know many of you had birthdays during the spring, summer, and now we're getting into fall and winter. Well, I want to do something for you. I want to make you a birthday cake. Not only that, I want to show you just how easy it would be for you to be able to draw your very own birthday cake. That's right, I'm going to show you step by step how easy it is for you to draw a birthday cake. Now, you only got to do one thing. All you got to do is just watch. Okay, first thing we're going to do is practice drawing. To do this birthday cake, we're going to practice drawing some ellipses. So we're going to take one paper and we're just going to make an ellipse is an oval. It's kind of a skinny oval. So on the back side, if you only have one sheet of paper, on the back side of your paper, I want you to practice and make a page of ellipses. Now don't worry, you might say, well, they're messed up. Some of them are messed up. They're over top of each other. Don't worry about it. Now I have more than one sheet, so I'm going to do some more. I'm going to try to slow down. And I'm going to keep my eye where I start, so I try to come back. It's one nice, quick move. But by practicing, you get better. You might say, well, Mr. Smith, you're an artist, you can do this. Almost see this ellipse as I move my hand around. Nice gentle motion. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's pretty good. Now I'm going to go down here and I'm going to make a smiling face. But I need it to be as long as wide as my ellipse. Okay? Now, I'm going to take my ruler. I'm going to go to the sides of the ellipse. And I'm going to bring a line straight down. I can see the little side of the ellipse right there. Bring that straight down. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. Now I know I have a little bit of the smile coming out. That's okay. That's fine. Because I'm going to take my trusty eraser and go over it and fix it. Okay? Now I got my shade front in layers. So what I'm going to do right now is make another smiling face, and it's going to come right about here, and it's going to go there. 1, 2, 3, just like that. Okay? All right. Now I want to go up just a I'll fix it later. I'm going to fix this part that's going outside, and I'm going to outline too. But the next thing I want to do is some drippy icing. I love icing that looks like it's dripping down the cake like water drops. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna make these wavy lines to make this drippy icing. And I want some that's short and some that's long. Some that's skinny and short. Long. Medium size. And that one's going to stop right there. Okay? Alright. Now with those, you can end up doubling the line if you really want to get fancy. So you can come around and almost like outline it. Just following this line. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to add color. I'm probably going to take my drawing and add it into my iPad and add the color that way. Alright, now I can come in. I'm going to erase these lines in here. Inside the icing, we don't need those. Now, another thing I can do is not only have the icing that looks like it's dripping that way, I can make it drip reverse. So almost like it's dripping up. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do some little drips, smaller drips, medium sized ones, little teeny ones, longer ones. Then I can do the same thing again. Go around. Okay. Some kind of piping going around, so I'll make some wavy lines going around the top. And let's not forget, we need to make some candles. Now this is a birthday cake that I am making for all my friends out there. Do I need this? That had birthdays during the summer or getting ready to have some late summer and early fall birthdays. One thing that I do in my classroom, I always have a cake drawing where it only takes me a matter of minutes to do one. And when somebody has to tell me, "Oh, I got a birthday, Mr. Smith," or somebody's having a birthday, I'll pull out one of my cake drawings for them. Or if I can't find one, I'll make one right away. Alright. So, a little curving line there. I don't even know how many candles I made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. All right. Now I think I'm going to out. I'm just about finished doing my outlines on my cake. Just have a couple more to do. Then after that, I'm going to take my pink eraser and clean up all my pencil lines. And then I have a little brush that I use to sweep off all my crumbs. Then I'm going to import my drawing into my iPad. Now I know many of you do not have iPads, but you can still do your drawing on paper and add beautiful color by using crayons, markers, color pencils, or any color material that you have available at home. I love bright colors, so I like my oranges and my fuchsias and my yellows for my birthday cake. After I finish doing that, then I'm going to add some background colors. Now sometimes people do work and they stop with a white background, but I like a colorful background. I think that gives your artwork more depth. And then with a birthday cake, you can't have a cake without balloons. And to make the day special, you gotta have rainbows. Well, I'm just about done. I want to tell you to do one last thing. Remember, when you have a birthday cake, you must always make a wish, and make your wish good. And keep it to yourself, and maybe one day your wish will come true. I want to thank you for visiting Mr. Smith's Art Room for Kids. Come back next week and we're going to do another video. Take care. See you later. Bye-bye.